parts of America, these clean power sources are finally cheaper than dirtier conventional power. Secretary of the Army, he will ensure that our soldiers are trained and equipped to meet the full spectrum of challenges and threats of our time, the conventional and unconventional, the nation state and the terrorist network.
As a public servant, he placed country before party and ideas before ideology. Jack Kemp saw bridges where others saw divisions, and his legacy serves as a shining example for all those who strive to challenge conventional wisdom, stay true to themselves, and better our nation.
Challenged conventional thinking, and he emerged with several critical victories. But that was Ed Brooks' way, to ignore the naysayers, reject the conventional wisdom, and trust that ultimately people would judge him on his character, his commitment, his record, and his ideas. Its ballistic missile program, and for the first time, its conventional military. They will put a new framework in place to stop Iranian because he challenged conventional thinking. Our troops have the life-saving equipment they need, and our military is better prepared for today's wars. To secure dangerous weapons, conventional and otherwise, and bring fighters under central civilian control. For without security, democracy. As we look beyond the wars in Iraq and Afghanistan and the end of long-term nation building with large military footprints, we'll be able to ensure our security with smaller conventional ground forces. Nuclear missile and missile defense forces that we need, and importantly, we agreed on how to pay for them. And that includes pooling our resources in these difficult economic times. We're moving forward with missile defense and agreed that NATO. Assad has lost his legitimacy to lead by attacking the Syrian people with almost every conventional weapon in his arsenal, including Scud missiles. And I understand that in the immediate aftermath of 9/11, with the traumas that had taken place, why, for a lot of Americans, the notion was somehow that we had to create a special facility like Guantanamo, and we couldn't handle this in a normal, conventional fashion.
The chemical weapons agreement that you both alluded to has removed some weapons, but by all accounts, it's a small fraction of the overall stockpile the Assad regime has, and the Syrians have missed a couple of deadlines.
I know this flies in the face of conventional wisdom, but it's the truth.
Other challenges. And that includes propaganda campaigns that try to whip up fear